Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into everything beauty and grooming. Today we're checking out the Wahl USA Pro Series High Visibility Skeleton Style Trimmer. This versatile trimmer promises precision and convenience with its unique features. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. The Wahl USA Pro Series High Visibility Skeleton Style Trimmer comes with a few standout features that make it an interesting choice for men looking for a reliable grooming tool. The trimmer has a unique exposed skeleton design, providing 360-degree visibility of the trimming head for clear, precise lines. It includes 3 attachment heads, a DLC T-blade, a rotary nose trimmer head, and a dual foil shaver head. Each head is designed for a specific purpose, allowing you to tackle different grooming needs easily. The blades themselves are coated with black diamond hard carbon, which is supposed to enhance cutting smoothness and heat resistance. Another important feature is its hygiene factor. The rotary ear and nose trimmer head is rinseable, keeping those areas clean and separate, and the dual foil shaver head gives a close shave, perfect for the face and neck. And yes, it's waterproof, meaning you can use it in the shower or easily rinse it off when you're done. Plus, the lithium-ion battery provides a solid 2 hours of cordless trimming after a full charge, making it a great option for those who need grooming on the go. Now let's talk about how it performs. Setting up the Wahl Pro Series trimmer was straightforward, with easy attachment changes using the thumb screw mechanism. I gave it a try on several different tasks, from trimming my beard to tackling the ear and nose areas. The 360-degree visibility was genuinely helpful. No more awkward angles or missing spots. The DLC T-blade delivered a smooth trim, and I was impressed with how close it cut. For nose and ear trimming, the rotary head worked well, providing a clean cut, and it was nice to know it was hygienic with the rinseable feature. On the flip side, while the dual foil shaver head worked well for a close shave, it wasn't as effective as a traditional razor in terms of smoothness. And although the trimmer is waterproof, the exposed skeleton design can get a little uncomfortable when using it in the shower, as water tends to drip into the exposed areas of the motor. So while it's waterproof, it's not exactly the most convenient for wet use. Pros of the Wahl USA Pro Series trimmer include its precision, ease of use, and versatility with multiple attachments. The black diamond hard carbon coating ensures smooth trimming, and the rinseable nose and ear trimmer head is a nice hygienic touch. The battery life is solid too, offering up to 2 hours of continuous use. On the downside, the exposed skeleton design, while great for visibility, isn't the most comfortable for everyone. Also, the dual foil shaver head could be better at achieving a completely smooth shave compared to a manual razor. Now, when it comes to value for money, this trimmer falls into the mid-range price category. But considering the multiple attachments, waterproof design, and lithium-ion battery, it's a decent investment for anyone looking for an all-in-one grooming tool. However, if you're just looking for a simple, no-frills trimmer, you might find better options at a lower price. In terms of comparisons, the Wahl Pro Series competes well with other high-end trimmers, like the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series, which offers similar attachment versatility but lacks the unique exposed skeleton design. The Wahl trimmer's close shave and precision visibility may appeal to those looking for a bit more control and ease of use. As for build quality, the Wahl Pro Series feels solid in hand, and the materials used are high quality, which should ensure a decent lifespan if properly maintained. However, the exposed motor design does make it feel a little less durable compared to fully enclosed options. Customer support wasn't something I needed to interact with directly for this product, but Wahl has a strong reputation in the grooming market, so I don't foresee any major issues if you ever need to reach out. If you're looking for alternatives, consider the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series 7000, which offers similar features at a competitive price, though it lacks the skeleton design and the rinseable nose trimmer. To sum up, the Wahl USA Pro Series High Visibility Skeleton Style Trimmer is a great option for those who value precision, versatility, and hygiene in their grooming routine. It offers excellent trimming for the beard, nose, and ears, along with a solid battery life and waterproofing. However, if you're after the smoothest shave possible or prefer a more traditional design, you may want to explore other options. If this review helped you, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so that other grooming enthusiasts can find this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or thoughts about this trimmer, drop them in the comments below. See you next time, and remember, stay sharp and keep it beautyistic.